Over here working on 1965 Alcort Sunfish Wave. Took the first pass cleaning off the THIXO and some of the fairing compound. Used 40 grit on a belt sander to clean up the seam edge from between the deck and the hull. Then used between 60 and 120. 60 to get the big stuff, and then 120 to get it smoothed down here. Nice. A nice flat seam there. This is looking pretty good. First pass was to get rid of the get the THIXO, the adhesive, flattened down. And you can see a couple little places. There's a couple little holes right here. Most of it's filled in pretty good. Underneath is a backer plate with a lot of adhesive, so not worried about watertight integrity. We're just going for a finish smoothness now. And the split across the deck. First pass with the fairing compound. Now we'll go back and probably skim coat most of this. Might skim coat a good portion of it, and then just sand it back down with some 120. That's the seams all cleaned up with the sharp bits of epoxy coming out. Got the first pass on the bow. Got a little divot right there to fill in a couple little divots, smooth it out. We'll tape it, prime it, paint it. Seam all finished up around here. It's sealed up back to there. And this, you can remember we had that entire portion gone, and then this bow part was, this chunk was popped out. And so now let's see if I can do it one-handed. Yep. And pick wave up with the bow handle again. So it's on to basically fairing, sanding, priming. Do a coat of primer. Once we get it all one color, we can look and see if we got any hills or valleys we want to take care of. Maybe another light coat of fairing at that point. And then on to sanding and painting. The plan is right now is just to paint back to the combing. We should get a good color match. Interlux Bright Side Medium Blue is what she was painted years ago by Captain Jack, and that's what she's going back to. In case the stripes are confusing you, this 1965 boat had no stripes, but Captain Jack liked the double stripes that came out 1968 time frame. At that time, they're only found up in the bow, double wide. I think they're close to 2 inches, 2-inch gap. And he liked them so much he put some back on the stern too. So 1965 wave. I did spot one hole. I don't know if we can take her sailing yet, but we're going to get her looking pretty first. Hope y'all having a great evening.